In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature field in PandaDoc. Let's jump right in. First, open the document you want to work on in PandaDoc. You'll need to be in the editor view, which is where you can make changes to the content and add form fields. If you're looking at a preview or a list of documents, click into the document so it opens in the full editor workspace. On the right side of the editor, you'll see a panel that controls who will fill out which parts of the document. At the top of that panel is a recipient, sometimes called the signee. This dropdown lets you choose the person the field will be assigned to. Before placing anything, make sure the correct recipient is selected. If you have more than one person signing, you can switch between recipients in this dropdown, so each field is assigned to the right individual. Below the recipient selector, you'll find a list of fields you can add to the document. Among these fields, look for the signature field. It's usually labeled clearly and often has a pen icon, so it's easy to spot. Now, simply click and drag the signature field from the right panel onto your document, then drop it exactly where you want the signature to appear. You can reposition it by clicking and dragging, and you can resize it using the handles on the corners to match your layout or any signature line you already have. If you need another signature for a different recipient, switch the recipient at the top of the right panel and drag a second signature field to the appropriate spot. This ensures each signer sees only the field intended for them. For a cleaner look, align the field with nearby text or boxes. Zoom in if you need precision, and use guides that appear in the editor to help with alignment. If you click the field, you may see options to mark it as required and adjust basic properties, which can reduce errors during signing. That's all it takes. You've added a signature field to your PandaDoc document and assigned it to the correct recipient. As a quick tip, keep your signature area uncluttered and leave enough space for comfortable signing. When everything looks good, you're ready to move forward with your document workflow.